In this lecture, we will learn how to draw the plan and elevation bracings. See, bracings are a very essential part of a steel structure. Without bracings, steel structures are somewhat not desirable, although they can be stabilized by taking box sections and all the like all the strong hollow sections to avoid the torsional buckling. But bracings are always desirable so that wind and seismic forces can travel via compressive forces and tensile forces. So basically what happens here, what I am trying to say is that suppose a force travels like this, horizontal force. PB sections itself have a very less horizontal load taking capacity. So what will happen is that this force will travel from this point to this point. So it will come in compression and this will come in tension. Similarly here and similarly here. As you can see that the span of the shed is approximately along the longitudinal direction. It is approximately 91 meter, which is quite large. So we need to balance the wind as well as seismic forces. So we provide elevation bracing. So this is the elevation bracing, plus we provide this plan bracing. So we need to go to our ETABS model. First of all, we need to define the section properties. We need to left click on add new property. We need to select this steel rod here. Left click on OK. So this is a simple steel rod that is most of the times used for the elevation bracing. Most people use angle also, and most people use channels also, but most of the times in PB sheds, unlike steel structures, PB sheds mostly rods are used. So what we can do here is that we can define the diameter. Let us say it is of 25 mm dia. I must say that it is quite a high diameter, but we can go ahead with this and then left click on OK. We can name it as 25 mm rod bracing. Left click on OK, and then again left click on OK. Go to draw and draw beam column brace. Select the property as 25 mm rod bracing, and moment releases has to be pinned on both the sides. Here you can see that the bracing in the plan is between grid 2 and 3. So we go to our model and draw the brace here. I want to add a point here that initially I am going with this tie rod, but in the next lectures I can change it to either channel or angle. Similarly, the bracings are provided on the mirror side also, that is along this bay. And one in the middle, that is between grids 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. Similarly, we need to provide the bracings in the elevation also. save this model, go to view and show rendered view. So here you can see that the bracings are being shown here in the plan as well as in elevation.